Hey guys, so I'm making this quick video for you. If you have the ViewSonic monitor and you're looking for how to connect it to Xbox, it's super simple. So first thing first, when I'm going to have the Xbox here, what you need to do, Xbox ports, what you need to do is how to connect it to your Xbox. I don't know if you're gonna have HDMI there, but you should have. And if you have the HDMI, then you just connect the HDMI cable for your ViewSonic. It's going to look like here. And you're going to just connect it to the ViewSonic. And then from the ViewSonic, you're going to connect it to your Xbox. And that's how you're going to do it. So it's like super simple. And then when you're going to connect both of them, then you got it. Now, if there is an option that you're not going to have the HDMI on your Xbox, then you just need to connect it through the adapter. But primarily it should have it. So that's how it's done.